Hey everybody, welcome back to D&E Express. Today we're going to be showing you how to cook pork ribs on the grill using the 3-2-1 method, where you cook for 3 hours on a low heat to get the smoky flavor. You cook for 2 hours under tin foil with a little bit of liquid in there if you so choose to help it make it fall off the bone. That could be water, apple cider vinegar, apple cider, or various other flavors. And then you cook for 1 hour after you slather barbecue sauce and let the barbecue sauce caramelize on there. Hope you guys enjoy.